Move over, Texas. Florida is now the #1 moving destination in America, and boy can we feel it as Bradenton and Sarasota lead in the numbers. I can't think of any major area that isn't under development, but more importantly, people are moving to Florida with a sense of comfort. The sun is shining. No matter where you live here in Sarasota and Manatee, you are minutes away from the beach. And our area is family friendly and a top destination for those looking to downsize and retire. Our Gulf Coast area with Bradenton and Sarasota ranks as one of the top places to live in the United States. And Sarasota is the highest ranked Florida city. We have buyers traveling in as quickly as possible to find a new home. I have a buyer arriving tomorrow that wanted to be here last weekend, but they couldn't even find a flight. I did a virtual tour with a buyer in Michigan this past Friday. We went under contract on a home on Saturday. They arrived yesterday to see the home for the first time and do the inspection. So we have friends that are looking for friends at open houses, and we are seeing more first-time home buyers than ever. Everyone is valuing home ownership now more than ever, and first-time home buyers, they don't have to worry about having a home to sell, so they're moving fast. That's really why the entry and mid-range markets have come back so quickly. Every week, our market is changing and real estate activities continue to increase. We're working safely, and we are grateful and happy to be able to help so many families with their moves. It's been fun for our buyers. We recently saw mortgage rates hit a record all-time low for the third time this year, and it's been pretty fun for our sellers. The real estate market is a tale of two markets, entry-level and high-end, but we are now finally starting to see some movement in the higher-end market. Those homes that are $750 and up, and competition is low. When you combine low inventory with our coastal marketing team, it's like fire when we launch a listing. Over the past 2 months, stuck at home, the way that we use the internet has changed. Behavior shifted. People want to connect more than ever with each other, and social media is where they're going. Meetings have moved to Zoom and Google Hangouts, and here at Coastal, we enjoy the luxury of having an in-house marketing team that can pivot on a dime. And they customize marketing plans week by week for our clients. We go where the buyers are to make sure that your home is there too. Virtual open houses have been hugely popular, and buyers love our new buyer rebates that we launched. We want to make this a fun, less stressful process for everyone. Moving boxes, free home cleaning, making sure your home is ready, inspection and home warranty rebates. We want to give back and take exceptional care of you through the entire moving process. And we're going to keep riding this roller coaster together with you. And the market, it's in a good win-win place for both buyers and sellers. They're using this market shift to their advantage on both sides. So let's continue to take care of one another, stay healthy and stay safe. And remember, hiring a market expert is now more than ever. It's so important to make sure you don't leave any money on the table and to make sure that you are getting massive exposure with your listing. We expect over the next few weeks and months to see more sellers come onto the market. Buyers are eager to see properties, and if you're thinking of selling, now might be the time while inventory is low. It's the lowest that I've ever seen, and we have been in multiple bidding wars over the past 2 weeks. So text me right now, 941-877-1527. We'll get you a home valuation, we'll get you a marketing consultation. We just sold a beautiful home in 4 days, and the second we put properties up, we're getting calls within minutes. So I'm pretty excited to see what the summer's gonna bring. Home prices keep rising, consumer confidence is bouncing back. It's gonna be great. We appreciate you, we appreciate your trust in us, and when my team and I can be of any help to you in any way, just reach out. Call my direct number. You can email kim@kimdowling.com. I'm always happy to answer your questions. So be safe and be well, and I will see you again soon.